Welcome back. Today we will start next chapter 4 of Political Science class 9th. In this chapter we will talk about working of institutions. Here, what is meaning of institution? Institution means various government department. Why is it necessary for the country? Yes, here government is responsible for providing various things and facility to the people. For the smooth functioning of the government, the department are necessary. What are the government institutions in this chapter? In a democracy, the rules have to work with and within institution. In this process, they come across the three institutions that play a key role in major decision. These institutions are legislature, second one executive, third one is judiciary. In this chapter, we will understand how all institutions together carry on the work of the government. How is a major policy decision taken? A major policy decision is taken through a government order and its issuing. Here, what is meaning of issuing of government order? Or simply, what is meaning of government order? A government order is a written direction on an issue signed by a government authority or government office. It is also called an office memorandum. The short form is known as OM. For example, a government order announced that 27% of the vacancies in civil post and services under Government of India are reserved for SCBC or socially and educationally backward classes. Controversy over the order. It means what? Here, the issuing of order sometimes led to the country-wide protest. Some of the protests are violent. As a result, the issue becomes the most debated in the media with different views and opinions. For example, now the recent case is Farmer Protest 2020. As we are watching in media about farmer protest against the government for a new farm laws. Government passed a new farm laws without consulting farmers. And in the new laws, there are so many drawbacks which are not acceptable by the farmers. For this, farmers of Punjab and Haryana started protesting and planned a march to Delhi. But the government not allowing protesting farmer to enter Delhi. A lot of discussions are going on in the media, and the government deployed policies forced to control agitating farmers. This is one of example of controversy over the order. Third one, appeal to stop implementation of order. It means some person or association file a number of cases in courts against the order. They appeal to declare the order invalid and stop its implementation. It means what? For example, in New Channel, it comes that one rank, one pension, OROP. One rank, one pension. Government is passed OROP several years back, but that is not properly implemented and a lot of queries were not resolved. So many ex-servicemen filed so many petitions in several courts. The cases are still pending. The ex-soldiers are still protesting at Delhi. This is the one example of appeal to stop implementation of order. Fourth one is court's intervention and modification in order. Here, the Supreme Court or High Court examine the constitutional validity of the order and modify it. If there is any violation of constitutional provisions, then it will be modified. These all are the government order. There are different type of government orders. the decision makers. Who makes the rule? Who pass the order? Who are the decision maker in our India? Yes, the major decision involves some major functionaries of our country. These are President, Prime Minister, Parliament. President, he is the head of our country, or he is the head of the state and its highest formula authorities in the country. Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the executive head of the government. He is the head of the government and actually exercise all the governmental powers. He takes most of the decisions in the cabinet meeting. The Prime Minister is the head of the ruling party. Parliament. Parliament consists of President and two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as lower house and Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house in the parliament. In Lok Sabha, people are directly elected the representative. Here, PM must have the support of majority of the Lok Sabha members. The second house is usually elected indirectly and perform some special functions. The President of India is a part of Parliament. Lok Sabha is also known as House of the People and Rajya Sabha is also known as the Council of the States.